How to fix SoundCloud not available in your country problem. So if you want to fix your SoundCloud not available in your country problem, then first you need to open up your Play Store and go with search, and here you need to search for SoundCloud. Once you find the application, make sure that you update it to the latest version. After updating, you can go back to your home screen and open up your settings on your device. From settings, you need to scroll down and then go with apps, tap on manage apps, and here you need to search for SoundCloud. Once you find the SoundCloud, tap on it and then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go back and under your settings, you need to search for date and time. Tap on date and time and make sure that you've selected set time automatically. Or if it's not available in your country, just simply turn it off and then change your date and time and change your location or your region. And after changing your language and region, your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.